Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss the chapter 27 graphical solution. I will give a complete solution on this chapter. This is a chapter of class 9 of ICSE Selina Concise Mathematics. Let's begin this chapter. Okay. So in this chapter, first we have to know what is linear equation. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is a linear equation. So here a, b and c are constants, x and y are variables. Okay, so ax plus by plus c equals to 0 represents a line, a straight line. This is a straight line. This equation represent a straight line. Okay, so what is linear equation? Linear equation means where the degree of the variables of this equation are 1. Here you see that the degree of x and y is 1. So this is called linear equation. Okay. So now we will know how to draw a graph of linear equation. How to draw a graph of linear equation. First, we make a subject of x or y. First we make a subject of x or y. Okay, then second step is we take 3 points and construct a table for these 3 points of values of x and y. Third step is we plot these 3 points in graph. Fourth step is now we draw a straight line, passing through these points. So when we take an example, then this matter will be clear. Okay, so here so how to draw a graph? First step is we make a subject of x or y. Then second step is we take 3 points and construct a table for these 3 points of values of x and y. Third step is we plot these 3 points in the graph. Okay, now fourth step is now we draw a straight line which is passing through these points. Okay, so thus we draw a graph of a linear equation ax plus by plus c. Okay, of linear equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so let's begin this chapter. this exercise 27a. First question is draw the graph for each equation given below. First question is here. Draw the graph for each equation given below. Here first equation x equals to 5. So first we draw a plane x o x dash y o y dash. Student, you must draw these lines on the graph paper. Okay, so I have no graph paper, so I plot this line in the paper. Okay, so here we take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here we plot this line in the graph. X o x dash, this is the horizontal line, and this is the vertical line, y o y dash, and o is the origin. So this is a Cartesian plane. So we plot this line x equals to 5 in this graph. Okay, so we take the line okay, it is 1 2 3 4 and this is 5. Okay, so here you can see x equals to 5, then the value of y will be 0, and if x equals to 5, then the value of y will be 1. Okay, when x equals to 5, then the value of y will be here -1. So this line is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is the line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this is a line which is parallel to y-axis in the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, second question, x plus 5 equals to 0. X plus 5 equals to 0, or x equals to, we can write -5. Okay, so now we plot this line in the graph. X dash, sorry, y dash. So here we take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Don't take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit unless mentioned on the question. Okay, so we always take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, 2 centimeter equals to 2 unit. Okay, so here we take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here x equals to -5. So here 1 2 3 4 5, x equals to -5. So we draw this line in the graph. This is the line x equals to minus 5. Okay, so here x equals to minus 5, y will be 0. X equals to minus 5, y, the value of y is 1. X equals to minus 5, the value of y will be minus 1. So we can draw this line here. Okay, so this is the parallel line. This is a line which is parallel to y axis. Okay, the line x plus 5 equals to 0 is parallel to y axis at a distance 5 units from the line, from the vertical line y. Okay, so the line x plus 5 equals to 0 is parallel to y axis at a distance 5 unit at a distance 5 units from this line. Okay, from it. In the negative direction of x axis. Third question. Here third question is y equals to 7. Okay, so now we draw this line in the graph. So here x o x dash, y o y dash. So here we take 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now we draw the line y equals to 7 in the graph. So this line is parallel to x axis. This is the line. Okay, this line is y equals to 7. Here x will be 0 and x will be 1, x2, x3. Here x equals to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this line is here. Okay, which is parallel to x axis. So y equals to 7, the line y equals to 7 is parallel to x axis at a distance, the distance is from this line, from the x axis to this line is 7. Okay, this is 7 unit, the distance is 7. So x axis at a distance 7 units from this line. Okay, from it in a positive direction of y axis. Okay, positive direction of y axis. Okay, so question number 4, y plus 7 equals to 0. So here we draw a graph. Okay, so x o x dash, y o y dash. Here y equals to minus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we draw a line y equals to minus 7 or y plus 7 equals to 0. This is the line y plus 7 equals to 0. Okay, so this line y plus 7 equals to 0 is parallel to the line parallel to which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, at a distance here the distance is 7 from this line to this line. The distance is 7 at a distance 7 units. Okay, from this line, from x-axis, from it. Okay, in the negative direction, negative direction of whose of y-axis. Okay, so question number 5. Now we solve the question 5. Okay, so question 5 is 2x plus 3y equals to 0. So we can write 2x equals to minus 3y or x equals to minus 3y by 2. So the process is to draw a graph. The process is, first we make a subject of x or y. Okay, so first we make a subject of x. Here the subject is x. Okay, this is the subject. Now we construct a table. Here the table is x and y. So first we substitute the value of y, then we get the value of x. Here y is independent variable and x is dependent variable. So first we put the value of x, then we will get the value of y, then we will get the value of x. So the value of y, if we put the value of y is 0, okay, then we get the value of x is 0. Okay, when y equals to 1, then we get the value of x minus 3 by 2. It is not possible. The fractional value is not possible here. We always take integer value. Okay, so this is not possible. Okay, so y equals to 1 is not possible here. Now we put the value of y is 2. Okay, so the value of y, we put 2, then 2 is cancelled, we get minus 3. So if we put 2, then x is minus 3. Okay, if we put y value minus 2, then we get 2 to cancel plus 3. The value of x is 3. So in the table, first we take the subject. Okay, here subject is x, then we take the table. Okay, for this equation, for 3 points. Okay, here 3 points is 0 0 0 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 2 and 3 minus 2. Okay, now plotting these points in the graph. Now plotting these points on the graph. Okay, first we draw a graph. This graph is here, x o x dash and y o y dash. Okay, 0 0, here 0 0 point is here. Okay, this is the 0 0 point, minus 3 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, you must draw this graph in a graph paper. Okay, so here look at this point, minus 3 2, here x minus 3 1 2 3 and y plus 2, so this point will be here, and the third point is 3 minus 2, so 1 2 3 and minus 2 is here, so this point is here. Now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, so 2x plus 3y equals to 0. This straight line, 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Okay, question number 6. x plus 2y equals to 6. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. So first we calculate the subject. Here 3x equals to 6 minus 2y, or x equals to 6 minus 2y by 3. So then here the table is, now we calculate a table. Okay, here the table is x and y. When y equals to 0, now we substitute the value of y, then we will get the value of x. When y equals to 0, then the value of x equals to y 0, so this side is here 0, so we get 6 by 3 2, so y 0 x 2. If y 1, then 6 minus 2 4 by 3, we don't take this point. Now y equals to 2, so 4 6 minus 4 2 by 3, not, we don't take, so y equals to 3. Y equals to 3, then the value of x will be 3 into 2 6 3, so this is 0. If we take the value of y is minus 3, when y equals to minus 3, then this will be, this portion will be plus 6. 6 plus 6 12 by 3 4. Okay, so now we plotting this point in the graph. Okay, so plotting these points, plotting these 3 points in the graph, so the required graph is here. This is xo, x dash, yo, y dash. Okay, so 2 0 here, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 2 0 point. Now we plot the point 2 0 here, 1 2, this point is 0, this is 2 0 point, 0 3. So 1 2 3, this point is here, 4 minus 3, 1 2 3 4 minus 3, 1 2 3, this point will be here. So now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so this is a straight line in this graph. Okay, question number 7. X minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so first we make the subject x equals to 5y minus 4. Okay, now we draw a graph xo, x dash, yo, y dash. Okay, so here we make a table. Okay, x y, when y equals to 0 then x is minus 4, when y equals to 1 then x is 1, when y equals to 2 then x is 6. Now we plotting these points on in the graph. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 minus 4 0. So here negative side of x axis, this is 1 2 3 4 and 0, and on x axis but this point is located 1 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this point is here. 6 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2, this point is here. So the straight line is, now this is the straight line. Okay, so we draw this straight line in the graph. Okay, and this is the equation of the line x minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Now question number 8. Okay, 5x plus y plus 5 equals to 0. So we make the subject here, y is subject, then we get minus 5x minus 5. Now we make a table. Here the table is, if we take x equals to 0 then y equals to minus 5. Okay, now x1, sorry, x is here 0, x0. Okay, y minus 5, x1 y minus 10, x2 x2 y 15, x minus 1 y 0. Okay, minus 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 5 0. Okay, now we draw a graph x o x dashed y o y dashed. Y o y dashed. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 0 minus 5, x 0 y minus 5, negative side of y axis, and 1 2 3 4 5, this point is here. 1 minus 10, 1 is here, minus 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, this point will be here. And we take minus 1 0, minus 1 here, so 0, this point. Okay, so the line will be, draw a straight line, the line is here. Okay, okay, this is the line. Okay, then question number 2, draw the graph for each equation given below, hence find the coordinate of the points where the graph drawn meets the coordinate axis. Okay, first equation, 1 by 3x plus y by 5 equals to 1. Here we have to draw the graph for each equation given below. First equation is here, x by 3 plus y by 5 equals to 1. Hence find the coordinate of the points where the graph drawn meets the coordinate axis. Okay, then we have to find the coordinates of this point. So first, the table is here, we make a subject, or x by 3 equals to 1 minus y by 5. Okay, so x by 3 equals to, LCM is 5 minus y, or x equals to 3 into 5 15 minus 3y by 5. This is the equation. Okay, now we make a table. The table is xy, so put y equals to 0, then x is 3, y equals to 5, then x is 0, y equals to minus 5, so plus 15 by 5, 30 by 5, so this is 6. So minus 5, when y equals to minus 5, x is 6. Okay, now we draw a graph. XO x dashed, YO y dashed. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 sorry 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 30.123, this is here. 0 5 1 2 3 4 5 here, and 6 minus 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5. So this point will be here. So we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so plotting. Now we plot these 3 points in the graph. Okay, second question. 2x plus 15 by 3 equals to y minus 1. So now we make a table. The table is first we make subject. So for subject, so here 3y minus 3 or 2x equals to 3y minus 3 minus 15. So 2x equals to 3y minus 18. Okay, so here x equals to 3y minus 18 by 2. Now we make a table. The table is x y. When y equals to 0, then x is minus 9. When y2, 6 minus 18 by 2 minus 12 by 2. Okay, so the value when y equals to 2, the value of x is minus 6. When y equals to 4, 12 minus 18 minus 6 by 2 minus 3. So now we plotting these points in the graph. So we draw a graph. X O x dash, y O y dash. Okay, one two three four five six seven 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first point minus 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This point is here. Minus 6 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 1 2. This point is here. Third point is minus 3 4 minus 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Third point will be here. Okay, so now we draw the straight line. Okay, this is the straight line. So 2x plus 15 by 3 equals to y minus 1. So this is the straight line. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3. Draw the graph of the straight line given by the equation this. Calculate the area of the triangle formed by the line drawn and the coordinate axis. Okay, so now here draw the graph of straight line given by the equation 4x minus 3y plus 36 equals to 0. First we make subject. So equals to 3y minus 36 or x equals to 3y minus 36 by 4. This is the subject. Okay, now we make a table. The table is x by x and y value. So here we put y equals to 0, then we get minus 9. We put y equals to 4, then 12 minus 36 by 4, 4 minus 24 by 4 minus 6. Okay, so we put here minus 4. Okay, y minus 4 minus 12 minus 36 by 4. This will be minus 12. Okay, now we plot these points in a graph. Plotting these points in a graph. So we draw a graph first. X O X dash Y O Y dash. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So minus 9 0. Minus 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this point will be here. Minus 6 4. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 4 1 2 3 4. So this point will be here. Okay, and minus 12 minus 4. So minus 12 9 10 11 12. Okay, minus 12 minus 4. 1 2 3 4. So here this point is here. Okay, so the straight line is here. Okay, we draw this straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, in the graph. So question number 4. No, in this question also I have another question. Sorry, first. We will take a weak graph. Okay, this is there. X O X dash and this is Y O Y dash. So now we take another point. If we take 12, then 3 into 12 36 minus 36 by 4. So this is 0. Okay, this is 0. So now we take 3 points, minus 9 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so first we plot this point, minus 9 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This point is here. Then next point, minus 6 4, minus 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, there 1 2 3 4. This point will be here. The next point, 0 12, we take 0 12, this point, 0 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This point will be here. Okay, now we draw the straight line. So this is the straight line. So here we get a triangle 0. This point is A. This is 0 12 point. This is B point. So this is minus 9 0. Okay, so the length of 0B is 9 and the length of OA is 12. Okay, now we calculate the area of the triangle. So here OA equals to 12 unit and OB equals to 9 unit. Okay, the length of OB is 9 and the length of OA 12. So the area of the triangle AOB equals to, we know the area of the triangle half into base into height. Okay, so here half into base, here base is OB 9 and height is here 12 OA. So 2 12 6, so 54 square unit. So the area of the triangle AOB is 54 square unit. The next question, question number 4. Draw the graph of the equation 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. From the graph, find x1, the value of x when y equals to 7. Second question, x2, the value of x when y equals to minus 5. So here the equation is 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. First we make the subject. Here 2x equals to 5 plus 3y or x equals to 5 plus 3y by 2. Now we make the table. The table is x, y. So first we put here y equals to 0. Then we get 5 by 2. We don't take this point. Okay, so now we put y equals to 1. Y equals to 1. Then we get 8 by 2. 4. The value of x is 4. If we take when y equals to minus 1 and 5 minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is 1 minus 1, the value of x is 1. Okay, if we take the value of y minus 5, then 5 minus 15 by 2 minus 10 by 2, so minus 5. Okay, so now we plot these points in the graph. So we draw a graph Here this is a graph XO X dash YO Y dash. Okay, so first we plot the point 4 1 4 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 1 point here, 1 2 3 4, this point is here. 1 minus 1, this 1 minus 1, this point is here. Okay, minus 5 1 2 3 4 5, here 1 2 3 4 5, this point will be here. So the straight line is, we draw a straight line, this is a straight line. Okay, now see this question. From the graph, find x1 the value of x when y equals to 7. So when y equals to 7, we substitute the value of y 7 in the equation 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. So when y equals to 7, the value of x will be x equals to 3y plus 5 by 2. This is 2, equation 2. Okay, so we substitute the value y equals to 7 in the equation 2. So we get 3 into 7, 21 plus 5 by 2, 26 by 2, 13. Okay, when y equals to 7, x equals to 13. Then second question, when y equals to minus 5, then we plot, here we put 3y equals to minus 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 15 plus 5 by 2. So this is minus 10 by 2 minus 5. Okay, so when y equals to minus 5, x is minus 5. Okay, question number 5. This is x2 point, x2, and this is the value of x1 and this is the value of x2. Okay, question number 5. Draw the graph of the equation 4x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. From the graph, find y1 the value of y when x equals to 12. Second question, y2 the value of y when x equals to minus 6. So here given equation is 4x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. Now we make the subject 4x 6 minus 3y, or x equals to 6 minus 3y by 4. This question equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now we make a table. X, y. When y equals to 0, then x is 6 by 4. We don't take this point. So when y equals to 1, 6 minus 3 by 4. This is not. So when y equals to 2, so here when y equals to 2, then x equals to 6 minus 6 by 4, x is 0. Okay, y to x 0. When y equals to minus 2, then x is plus 6 by 4, 12 by 4, 3. So minus 2, x is 3. When y equals to 3, minus 9, 6, minus 3, 9 plus 6, not, y equals to 4. When y equals to 4, x is 6 minus 12 by 4. Okay, so minus 6 by 4. This is not, this is a fraction value, so we don't take this value. So minus 4, if we take y equals to minus 4, then this 6 plus 12, 18 by 4. Not, we don't take this value. If we take y equals to 5, no, if we take 6, if we take y equals to 6, then the value of x 6 minus 18 by 4 minus 12 by 4. So this is minus 3. So when y is 6, then x is minus 3. Okay, now put these points in a graph. So plotting these points in a graph. Okay, y dash y x o x dash. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so first point 0 2, this is 0 2 point. 3 minus 2, 1 2 3 minus 2 is here, this point will be here. Okay, now the next point minus 3 6, 3 and 1 2 3 4 5 6, this point is here. So now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line in this graph. So now the question is, when x equals to 12, then from the equation 2 we get x equals to 6 minus 3 into 12 by 4. Okay, 6 minus 36 by 4. This is minus 30 by 4. So second question, when x equals to minus 6, then from equation 2 x equals to 6 minus 3 into minus 6 by 4 plus 18 by 4, 24 by 4, 6. So when x equals to minus 6, then the value of y here, x equals to 12, sorry, here x equals to 12, x equals to 12. So now we have to calculate the value of y. So when x equals to 12, this will be 48, 6 minus 3y, or 42 equals to minus 3y, or y equals to minus 14. Okay, when x equals to minus 6, when x equals to minus 6, the value of y will be minus 60, minus 6 into 4, minus 24, 6 minus 3y, or minus 24 minus 6 equals to minus 3y, or minus 30 equals to minus 3y. Okay, or y equals to 10. So when x equals to 12, then y1, the value of y1 will be minus 14. When x equals to minus 6, the value of y2, this is y2, is 10. Okay, now question number 5. So question number 5, we solve this question. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Use the table given below to draw the graph. This from your graph, find the values of a and b. State a linear relation between the variables x and y. Okay, use the table given below to draw the graph. Here the table is xy minus 5, minus 2, minus 1a, 3, 2, v5, 13, 7. So we have to draw the graph from this table. Okay, so first here we draw a graph xo x dash, yo y dash. Here point minus 5, minus 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, first point minus 5, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here this point is here. Okay, minus 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, this point is here. 13, 7, here 13, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this point will be here. So we draw, now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. So the question is, from your graph, find the values of a and b. State a linear relation between the variables x and y. Okay, so first let the linear equation is, we take a linear equation. Let the linear equation is y equals to mx plus c. This is the general form of linear equation, y equals to mx plus c, general form of straight line. Okay, so first we substitute the value of x and y. Here x equals to minus 5 and y equals to minus 2. And this goes equation 1. So here we substitute the value of y, minus 2 equals to mx minus 5 plus c. Okay, this is second equation, or minus 2 minus 5m plus c. So this is second equation. Now we substitute the point we substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Okay, in the equation 1. So 2 equals to 3m plus c. This is equation 3. Now subtracting 3 from 2. Minus 2 equals to minus 5m plus c. 2 equals to 3m plus c. So subtracting 3 from 2. Minus minus. This is plus c minus c. So this is minus 4. This is minus 8m, or m equals to minus 4 by minus 8. So this is 1 by 2. Now we put the value of m in the equation 2 or equation 3. From the equation 3, two equals to 3 into 1 by 2 plus c. So the value of c equals to 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. So the linear equation is y equals to m 1 by 2 x plus c 1 by 2, or 2y equals to x plus 1, or 2y minus x equals to 1. Okay, this is the linear equation. Now we have to find the value of a and b. When this is the equation 4, when x equals to minus 1, then from equation 4 we get 2y equals to x is minus 1 plus 1. Sorry, x is here minus 1 plus 1 equals to equals to plus 1. Okay, 1, or 2y equals to 1 minus 1, this is 0, or y equals to 0. Okay, so when x equals to minus 1, y is 0. When y equals to 5, so it is the value of a. The value of a is 0. When y equals to 5, from the equation 4, 2y, 2 into 5 minus x equals to 1, or 10 minus 1 equals to x, or x equals to 9. When y equals to 5, x is 9. So it is the value of b. So b is here 9. Okay, now question number 7. Draw the graph obtained from the table below. So here we draw a graph. Okay, so we draw a graph. X O x dashed and y O y dashed. Now the point 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the point is 3 2, 1 2 3, this is 3 2 point, and 5 3, 5 3, 1 2 3 4 5, here this point is here. Okay, and minus 1 0, minus 1 0, this point is here. So now we draw a straight line, this is a straight line. Okay, so now we have to find the values of a and b and c. State a linear relation between the variables x and y. Okay, let the linear equation is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation 1. Okay, so now we put the value of x, then we will get the value of y. We substitute the value of x 3 when x equals to 3, then y equals to 3m plus c. This is the equation 2. When x equals to 5, then y is 5m plus c. This is the equation 3. Now subtracting 3 from 2, we get y plus 3m plus c, y equals to 5m plus c. So subtracting 3 from 2, so here here x equals to 3 and y equals to 2, so here y equals to 2, x equals to 5, y equals to 3 here y equals to 3, so this is 2 and 3. So minus 1 equals to minus 2m, or m equals to 1 by 2. Now put m equals to 1 by 2 in the equation 2. From the equation 2, we get 2 equals to 3 into 1 by 2 plus c, or c equals to 2 minus 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Show the equation, linear equation. Hence the linear equation is y equals to 1 by 2x plus c 1 by 2 here. So this is 2y minus x equals to 1. This is the equation 4. Okay, now we have to find the value of a, b and c. When x equals to minus 1, then from the equation 4, 2y plus 1 equals to 1, or 2y equals to 0, or y equals to 0. So here y equals to y equals to minus 1. Okay, when y equals to minus 1, then the value of x will be y equals to minus 1, then minus 1 minus x equals to 1. Okay, so minus 2 minus x equals to 1. So x minus 2 minus 1 equals to x, or x equals to minus 3. So the value of a is here, a equals to minus 3 when y equals to minus 1. Then we have to calculate the value of b when x equals to minus 5. X equals to minus 5. Then from equation 4, 2y x plus minus minus plus 5 equals to 1, or 2y equals to minus 4, or y equals to minus 2. So the value of b is minus 2. When y equals to 4, then from equation 4 get 2y, 2 into 4 minus x equals to 1. So 8 minus 1 equals to x. So x equals to 7. So the value of c is 7 when y equals to 4. Question number 8. A straight line passes through the points 2, 4 and 5 minus 2, taking 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Mark this point on a graph paper and draw the straight line through these points. If points m, minus 4 and 3n lie on the straight line drawn, find the values of m n. So first we draw, plot these points 2, 4 and 5 minus 2 in a graph. Okay. So we plot a graph y o y dash and x o x dash. Okay. Here 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay. So first point is here 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 4. This point will be here. And 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 2. This. So mark these points on a graph paper, and here the 2, 4 point is here and 5 minus 2 point is here. Okay. So and draw the straight line through these points. So the straight line is this. This is the straight line. Okay. Now m minus 4 and 3n lie on the line drawn. Find the values of m and n. Let the linear equation is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, equation 1. Now we substitute the values of x and y in the equation 1. When x equals to 2, y equals to 4, then from the equation 1, 4 equals to 2m plus c. And now x equals to 5 and y equals to minus 2. Then from the equation 1 we get minus 2 equals to 5m plus c. Now subtracting from the equation 2 to equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Okay. Subtracting equation 2 from the equation 1. So we get this is the equation 2 and equation 3. So subtracting the equation 3 from 2, so we get 4 equals to 2m plus c minus 2 equals to 5m plus c. So subtracting, this is my 2 and here plus minus here, so this is plus. Okay, so this is 6 equals to minus 3m, or m equals to minus 2. Now we put the value of m in the equation 2. From the equation 2, 4 equals to 2 into m minus 2 plus c. So c equals to 8. Okay, hence the linear equation is, hence the linear equation is y equals to m minus 2x plus 8. This is the equation 4. So now we put m minus 4 in the equation 4. When x equals to m, y equals to minus 4, then from the equation 4 we get equals to minus 4 minus 2x, here m plus 8. Okay, here minus 4 minus 8 equals to minus 2m, or minus 12 equals to minus 2m, or m equals to 6. So here 6 minus 4. Now we put 3n in equation 4, then we get y n and x is here 3 plus 8. So 6 minus 6 plus 8, n is 2. So this one will be 3, 2. Now equation show. Now let's start the equation. The question 9. Draw the graph given by the equation x minus 3y equals to 18 if the straight line drawn passes through the points m, minus 5 and 6n. Find the values of m and n. So here the equation is x minus 3y equals to 18, or we make the subject x equals to 18 plus 3y. Okay, this is the equation 1. Now we make a table xy. Okay, y equals to 0, x 18, y 1, okay, 21, x, y minus 1, x is 15. Now we draw a graph. Okay, so 18 0 point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, 21 18 19 20 21 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is x o x test, and this is y o y dash. Okay, so first we plot the point 18 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 0 is here, 21 19 20 21 1, this point is here, 15 minus 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is the point. Okay, so the straight line is here, this is the straight line. Okay, now if straight line, this straight line passes through this point m minus 5 6 n, find mn. Okay, so here we put the value of x equals to m and y minus 5 in the equation 1. Okay, so from the equation 1, x equals to 18, here x equals to m, 18 plus 3 y equals to minus 5, so 18 minus 15 3. So when y equals to minus 5, x equals to 3 or m equals to 3, this point is 3 minus 5. Now when x equals to 6 and y equals to n, then from equation 1, x is here 6 equals to 18 plus 3 into n, or 3n equals to 6 minus 18 minus 12, or n equals to minus 4. So here n minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4. Question number 10. Use the graphical method to find the value of k if k minus 3 lies on the straight line 2x plus 3y equals to 1. Use the graphical method to find the value of k. Here we have to find the value of k if k minus 3 lies on the straight line this. K minus 3 lies on the straight line, lies on the equation 1. Okay, then here 2x is here k, and we put the value of y minus 3 equals to 1 from the equation 1, or 2k minus 9 equals to 1, or 2k equals to 10, or k equals to 5. So the value of k is here 5. Okay, now second question, 5k minus 2 lies on the straight line, x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. So here x equals to 5, we substitute the values of x and y in the equation 1. So here x equals to 5, y k minus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. From the equation 1, we put the values of x and y. Okay, so 5 minus 2k plus 4 plus 1 equals to 0, or here 5 plus 5 10 equals to 2k, or k equals to